Domestic violence is the willful intimidation, physical assault, battery, sexual assault, and other abusive behavior as part of a systematic pattern of power and control perpetrated by one intimate partner against another. It includes physical violence, physiological violence, and emotional.
It took me by surprise. I can't believe that he would do that. He seemed so sweet. He was one of the quiet ones.
Who are you talking to?
No one.
Oh, really? Because I heard everything you said.
I didn't mean it. Any of it.
Shut up, lying. That's all you do is lie.
But
Don't lie and say you're not.
We need to talk.
Huh. Sorry. She's not here right now. You just missed it.
Oh my god, I need to talk to her. Or someone.
You can talk to me. Wait, what happened to your face?
That's a long story. Only she knows.
Someone hit you?
Yeah, it was my boyfriend.
Oh, now we got problems.
No, you can't do anything.
Is that really what's happening to you? You know, I keep this on me for times like this. You know, you can just call the Family Justice Center, 716-558-SAFE.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. I just don't want him to be hurting you like that, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure you call this number.
Domestic violence is not a game that you want to play. If you or someone you know is being abused, please call someone. Do not just sit in silence.